Hey guys, Technomentary here today to show you guys how to hard reset your iPhone X or the iPhone XS or the iPhone XR or the newer iPhones that do not have the home button. So this method has changed from the previous generation of the phone. That's why I'm making this video. It's a pretty straightforward method. First thing you want to do is press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button and hold the power button until you see kind of powering down button. Keep on holding the power button until you see kind of that Apple logo appear, and that should hard reboot your iPhone. As you can see, we see the Apple logo, so that means it is doing a hard reboot now. What this will do is kind of refresh the memory of the phone. So if you're having issues such as phone freezing or becoming glitchy, or apps are acting up, this will kind of help it get that performance back to original. This will not reset any of the settings, and all of your data still will be there. It will not erase that. Hopefully this video helps you guys with any issues that you guys are having. Please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos on tips and tricks for your iOS devices in the future. Thanks for watching.